your temporary files. So first method is simply press in your window keyboard. Okay, simply press window plus R. After that you can see this option here, type here percentage temp or percentage. Okay, after that you have to, okay, now you have to click OK. So wait a second and see the magic. So these are all the temp file, so you can delete all these. Okay, you can simply press Ctrl plus all and you can delete all these files. Okay, now in my next video I'm going to show you, okay, how you can delete your temporary file method 2. So see you in next video. Bye bye.